Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatihah binti Baharudin. I'm from Group 18. Our group have been chosen our group title for our group assignment, which is Arecaceae family. Arecaceae family is family of perennial, which is woody flowering plants, but has no secondary trunk growth. This type of family is commonly known as the palm family. Despite being monocotyledons, many of them are arborescent, with large crown leaf at the end of the stem, generally pinnate or palmate. Its flowers have 3 sepals and 3 petals and are arranged in inflorescences provided with one or more spathes. The fruit is fleshy, a berry, or a drupe. They are widely distributed in tropical to temperate region, but mainly in warm region. There are about 183 genera and 2,450 species in tropical and subtropical areas in Africa, America, Asia, Madagascar, and the Pacific. The characteristics shown in this plant are often large, compound evergreen leaf and towering, sometimes slender trunks. Palms are among the best known and most extensively cultivated plants family. They have been important to humans throughout much of history. Many common products and food are derived from palms. In contemporary times, palms are also widely used in landscaping. In many historical cultures, because of their importance as food, palms were symbol for such ideas as victory, peace, and fertility. Palms develop in 2 ways, solitary and group. Normally, solitary palms can grow in cluster and vice versa. Palms are renowned for their economic importance, yielding a wide range of valuable products utilized by societies worldwide. Beyond their prized fruits such as coconut, dates, and oil palms contribute to industry ranging from construction to cosmetic and ornamental horticulture. Next, this is the type of Arecaceae family that we found in USM. The first one is Arecaceae, that sometimes referred as a pinnated palm or petal palm. The size of the Arecaceae is medium-sized palm that may grow up to 20 meters tall. It features a crown of feathery, pinnate leaf and a slender scarf. Coastal region, disturbed habitats, and lowland tropicals are the usual habitat of Arecaceae. It grows well in warm, humid regions with soil that drains properly. Arecaceae fruit is an oval-shaped drupe that is between 4 and 6 centimeters long and contains a single seed. The fruit outer husk changes from green to red or orange when it is mature. Arecaceae leaves are big, complex, and pinnate, which means they are separated into several leaflets placed along a central axis. The leaflets are usually lens-shaped, 1 to 2 meters long and glossy green in color. In essence, the root system produces a mat-like structure in the soil by the development of many fine and densely branching fibrous roots. These palm roots aid keeping it firmly anchored in the ground and make it easier for it to absorb nutrients and water from the soil. Subsequently, Arecaceae, also known as a shallow roots, is concentrated in the upper few feet of the soil. Because of the adaptation, palms can effectively absorb water and nutrients from the soil, which is often deficient in nutrients. Adventitious roots are also produced by Arecaceae. These roots grow from the area of the plants that is above the ground, such as the base of the trunk, which can give the palm more stability and support as well as help it absorb the nutrient. Especially when it is exposed to the wind or other pressure, rhizomatous growth in Arecaceae can give rise to the new shoot and the plants. Therefore, it allows the plant to spread vegetatively and colonize a new area. In conclusion, Arecaceae is a distinct palm species with cultural, ecological significance and valued for its attractive appearance.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Mukrisaki bin Muhammad Shah with metric number 22302982, and I'm the leader of this group. Today I will explain about one of the palm tree which is very beneficial towards human. So the botanical name of this palm tree is Cocos nucifera. Its common name is coconut tree. So this type of palm, it is very tall, usually exceeding 25 meters in height, and it grows in sandy soils and needs abundant sunlight besides regular rainfall. It is also commonly found in tropical coastal regions. This is because coconut tree has a higher tolerance towards the high salinity. It also has a pinnately compound leaves with parallel venation. It also possesses a slightly curved stem which grows from the swollen base. The root system of this coconut tree is fibrous, or also known as adventitious. There are many things that we can do from this coconut tree, from the leaves, the stems, and other parts of the plant. For example, the leaves of the coconut tree is used to make ketupats, and besides that, the midribs of the leaves or the primary wing is used to make a broomstick, and last but not least, the outer part or the skin of the coconut fruit is used as a medium for growing other plants, which is the name is cocoa peat or coconut husk. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bibi Kurataini binti Saidau. Okay, for my part, I will explain about Curatus tachysrenda. Curatus tachysrenda, commonly known as a red cineworks palm and lipstick palm, naturally growing in swamps and highly tolerant of flooding. Cultivated as an ornamental palm for its attractive bright red stems and leaf stalks, its bright scarlet leaf sheaths make this palm one of the most attractive of palms. It is an ornamental palm suitable for gardens, parks, roadsides, and around the edges of ponds and water bodies. The plant division of Curatus tachysrenda is angiosperms, flowering seeds plant. Other than that, the lifespan is perennial. Its mode of nutrition is autotroph. Then, the maximum height of this palm is 12 meters. The leaf of Curatus tachysrenda are defining feature of this palm species. The leaf measuring about 5.5 meter long and 0.6 meter wide, have bright red stalks and midribs, and are pinnate and alternately arranged. Other than that, each leaf consists of leaflets that are boat-shaped, slightly grey on the underside and about 45 cm long and 4 cm wide. Curatus tachysrenda root systems plays a crucial role in its survival and stability. The types of roots is fibrous root system consisting of numerous small roots. These fibrous roots extend radially in all directions from the base of the tree, allowing them to spread wide rather than deep into soil. This type of roots will help Curatus tachysrenda anchor themselves securely, especially in sandy or coastal areas. Absorb the water and nutrients from the soil efficiently. The veins of Curatus tachysrenda can be easily identified by its multi-stem form and reddish crown shaft and leaf stalks.
Okay, the next one is Rapis excelsa. Rapis excelsa, commonly known as the lady palm, is a species of palm renowned for its ornamental value and adaptability. Its distinct features include its leaf, roots, and veins, each contributing to its aesthetic appeal and physiological function. Okay, the leaf of Rapis excelsa are defining features of this palm species. They exhibit a fine shape morphology with glossy green coloration, adding a touch of elegance to any setting. The leaves are characterized by their smooth, leathery texture and are deeply divided into multiple segments, resembling an open hand or palmate structure, ranging from 20 to 60 cm in length. The leaves of dense crowns atop slender stem or canes, enhancing the plant visual appeal. The root system of Rhapis excelsa typically possesses a fibrous root system consisting of numerous thin roots and spread horizontally near the soil surface. This root serve multiple functions, including anchoring the plant securely in the substrate and facilitating the uptake of water and nutrients. While adaptable of various soil types, Rhapis excelsa prefer well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soils, ensuring optimal root health and function. In addition to its leaf and roots, the vein of Rhapis excelsa play a crucial role in its physiological process. The vein exhibit a parallel arrangement running longitudinally from the base to the tip of each leaf segment. Within this segment, vascular bundle transport water, mineral, and sugar throughout the plants, supporting growth and metabolism. The veins serve as a conduit for the efficient exchange of nutrients and water between the roots and other parts of the plant, ensuring its overall health and vitality. In conclusion, the characteristic leaf, root, and vein morphology of Rhapis excelsa collectively contribute to its ornamental appeal and adaptability. With its vein-shaped leaf, fibrous root system, and parallel vein arrangement, the lady palm embodies both aesthetic beauty and function efficiency.
A unique species of palm tree belonging to the Arecaceae family is the Liquala grandis. The palm is indigenous to the southwest Pacific rainforest of the Vanuatu archipelago and the Solomon Islands. The red fern palm often grows smaller in colder areas, yet it can reach a maximum height of 4 meters. The enormous leaf of the Liquala form a crown on top of its slender, fiber-covered trunk. Birds consume the red berries that grow on Liquala, especially in the wild. A matured Liquala grandis can be left outside in direct sunlight, provided that the relative humidity is high enough. The plant likes a bright place close to a window that faces either east or west window. The humidity rises with increasing sun exposure. The palm requires 5 hours or more of indirect sunlight each day. A smaller, younger plant will fare better in a shady area farther away from the window, since it can stand with less light. Since the tropical palm is accustomed to high temperature, it shouldn't be kept in a droughty area. In the summer, it's crucial to maintain a slight moisture content in the soil. Consequently, it's ideal to water the plant frequently with little amount of water. On the hottest day, you can even water it daily. While the soil should entirely dry up, the plant roots should be submerged in water to avoid root rot. The plant hibernates in the winter and requires less water. Naturally occurring in warm, humid tropical rainforest is the Liquala grandis. Although the plant prefers a temperature of 21 to 31 degrees Celsius, it may tolerate somewhat lower temperature throughout the winter as long as it stays above 0 degrees Celsius. In the event of a frost, a palm planted outdoors should be brought inside. Owing to its high humidity needs, the plant needs frequently watering. The leaf quickly get brown edge because the plant is difficult to maintain and the humidity level drops too quickly. Although they can be clipped, they are part of the plant's natural appearance. Eventually, the palm oldest leaf will totally wither away. Using a pair of pruning shears, they can be chopped off to the trunk if they are too dry to make the palm appear appealing.
Hello, my name is Dashan Anaki Prabhagaran, metric number 22302984. I'll be presenting on Dipsis lutein. Golden cane palm, areca palm, yellow palm, butterfly palm, and bamboo palm are other names for Dipsis lutein. One such name, butterfly plum, comes from its derivative to upward curving leaf that resembles butterflies on numerous stalks. Originating in Madagascar and Comoros, the genus Dipsys comprises over 140 species of pinnate leaf palm, all of which exceedingly varied and complex. This genus includes some of the slimmest bottle plums, lithotrappers, towering forest giant, and stemless palms, among other highly variable growth forms. The perennial tropical plant Dipsys lutein reaches a height of 6 to 12 meters with a spread of 3 to 5 meters. The base sprouts several cane-like stems that form a vase-like shape. The pinnate upward arcing leaves have a yellow midrib and measure from 2 to 3 meters in length. The petiole has a maculate base, is yellow-green in color, and has a waxy texture. There are about 40 to 60 pairs of leaflets on each leaf. The layer of these leaflets are reversed. In June, it produces 2-foot-long panicles of yellow flower. Dipsys lutein plants yield yellow fruits containing viable seeds that are primarily distributed by birds. It is planted both indoors as a houseplant and outside as an ornamental plant in tropical and subtropical gardens. That's all from me. Hopefully learn more about below.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Sautuliman bin Muhammad Saiful, and I'll be presenting about Chrysalidocarbus luteins. So this species is also known as golden cane palm. So Chrysalidocarbus luteins are natively found in Madagascar, Andaman Island, not to mention in Vietnam and also Thailand. So from this place we know that this species requires a moist growing medium, which is the best condition for them to grow well. So the characteristics of this species are quite common with other areca palms, but for example that the leaflets are opposite and also linear in shape. And also this plant can grow 6 meters in height and 4 meters in spreads. So Chrysalidocarbus luteins are commonly known to be an elegant indoor palm. Chrysalidocarbus luteins are prone to be known an elegant indoor palm due to many factors that make it suitable to be indoor. First of all, is it tolerant to light and bright shade, but excessive amount of it can damage the plant. Next is it has no serious insect or disease problem. This kind of plant is an independent plant that does not require any efforts from the human to give up pesticides. Not to mention, this plant also is a landscape specimen, which is this plant has a simple structure yet very nice to be seen and does not require a lot of space. In Madagascar, people use it to make nets. This plant also is a natural air purifying and air humidifier, and also this plant has an antioxidant and anti-cancer properties that people still use it in medical properties. That's all from me. Thank you.
For our last part, the conclusion for Arecaceae family, despite their widespread popularity and commercial value, many palm species face threat from habitat loss, deforestation, climate change, and unsustainable harvesting practices. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving palm diversity and protecting their habitats are crucial for safeguarding the ecological integrity and cultural heritage associated with these remarkable plants. With their diverse forms and habitats, palms play a crucial role in ecosystems worldwide, providing food, shelter, and resource for countless species, including humans. From the iconic coconut palm to the majestic date palm, their beauty and utility have made them integral to landscape and cultures across the globe. Therefore, as we navigate environmental challenge, preserving the diversity and health of the Arecaceae family is essential for sustaining biodiversity and ensuring the well-being of ecosystems and societies alike. That's all from us. Thank you.